Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to download Farlight 84 on PC. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to launch a Steam on your device. Okay, so you need to make sure that you have a Steam account. So if you don't have one, just go ahead and create one. Then now, just go ahead and go to this or click on the search bar right here and search for the game, which is Farlight 84. So now just go ahead and click on the game that you want. So let me just go ahead and click on this one. Okay, sub 84. Oh, there. So let's just wait for this one. So here's the game, right? So it says here Farlight 84. Now to install it, what you need to do is to just go ahead and you can add it to your library or play game. Okay, so if you want to play the game, just go ahead and click on play game. Then here, find the location where you want to put the game. Okay, then here, if you want to create desktop shortcut, just go ahead and check this one. And if you want to create start menu shortcut, you can just go ahead and check this one. To change the location, you can click on the settings icon right here and find a new location for your game. Okay, so here click on the install button, so accept, then we just need to wait. Okay, so now once it is done downloading, what you need to do is to just go ahead and install Farlight 84. Okay, so once the download is finished, navigate to the location where the game installer was saved. Then double click on the installer file to start the installation process. Then follow the on-screen instructions to install the game on your PC. After that, you can now launch the game. After the installation is complete, you can launch Farlight 84 by locating its shortcut on your desktop or finding it in the Start menu. You can also find it here on your Steam account. Double-click on the game icon to start playing. So it is essential to download Farlight 84 from the official website or a reputable digital distribution platform to ensure you are getting a legitimate and safe copy of the game. Be cautious of downloading from unofficial sources as they may contain malware or modified versions of the game. So that is how you download Farlight 84 on your computer. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!